How to disable competitions and concerts notifications on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable competitions and concerts notifications on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon in the top corner. Click on it and then click here, notifications. Now scroll down until you find competitions and concerts. Now just if you want to disable it, click on it, and as you see, competitions and concerts have been disabled. Now just wait 2 days and it will be saved, and then go back. That's it, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.